In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery block in Squarespace step by step to create an engaging visual showcase on your website. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Squarespace website and enter your account details, your email, and password. Once you're logged in, it should take you to your account dashboard. This is your control center where you can see all of the websites that you've created and are managing on Squarespace. Next, you'll want to navigate to one of these sites, the one where you want to add a beautiful gallery. Simply click on the site's name or thumbnail and it will open up the site management view. Now, you're in your website editor, and this is where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to start making changes to your site's layout. Look for the option to edit your website. This button is usually pretty prominent, and clicking it allows you to make changes to your site. As you go into edit mode, you'll see various sections and content blocks that you have set up on your website. Now, we're going to add a new section specifically for our gallery. Look for an option that says Add Section or something similar. Click on this and you'll be presented with a variety of options. Don't let the choices overwhelm you. What you want here is the images section. Selecting this will present you with several layout options. Here you'll want to hunt for one that looks like a gallery block. It's usually pretty apparent, as it will show a grid or collection of images. Once you've found a gallery layout that suits your style or your website's aesthetic, go ahead and select it. Click on it and voila, it will be added as a new section on your page. Now that your gallery block is added, you'll probably want to customize it. This could mean uploading your own images, changing the order, or adjusting settings like spacing and display style. Squarespace is quite intuitive with these adjustments, typically providing easy drag and drop capabilities or settings panels where you can tweak things to your liking. Once everything looks just right, don't forget to save your changes. Squarespace typically has a save button in the top corner of the editor. Clicking this ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and that the new gallery is now live for your visitors to appreciate. And that's it. You've successfully added a stunning gallery block to your Squarespace site. This dynamic feature is a great way to captivate your audience with visual stories or showcase your products beautifully. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to create an engaging gallery on your website.